Hi everyone, good afternoon. So today I'm going to demonstrate the DevopsSec project, personalized expense tracker, which I have developed as part of the DevopsSec Repair project. So my name is Srihari, and my student ID is 241553331. So the main motivation of this project is like to have an application where users can track their daily expenses and manage the income all at one place. It was developed using Django and Python, and it is deployed on AWS using AWS code deploy, and the main like backend has been developed using Django and PostgreSQL for database, and the front end is Bootstrap and Charges for visualization. So mainly the application has four different features, which I'll walk you through directly on the application itself. So this is the application expense tracker, and this is our dashboard where we can see like different categories of expenses and different incomes, and the summarized monthly income and monthly expenses, and the net balance, how much we are saving per month. And these are the recent expenses which we have added, and also we can additionally we can have these buttons as well to add and customize which type of expense you want to add. So now so this application has developed following DevopsSec principles. It has been fully developed using CI/CD integrated pipeline. So the every change in a development phase has to go through all the stages, passing all the quality gates, and finally going to the deploy stage, which makes the application secure and easy to go live every change without much hassle. So I'll show you the live uh, a change, small change, which I'll do to the application, and then I'll show like how that change process through each stage, and finally deploys onto the live application. So in this dashboard, I can see like this month's income. So I'll change it to monthly income, and show you that that change passes through all the different stages, and finally uh, going into the deploy stage and reflecting it on the dashboard once we refresh this. So let's go to the Visual Studio. I'll make a change and I'll do the git push. So let's search for this month's income. So this is the uh, point where we have to modify. So I'll make it as monthly income and save it, and I'll do the git add. Uh, just do the git add dashboard.html, and I'll do the commit as well. Modified dashboard to monthly income, something like that, and I'll push it as well, git push. So this has to go through this triggers the pipeline. If you see, it popped me at GitHub, and the change has been pushed. I'll show you the pipeline might be triggered right now. Let's see if it is. Yeah, see, the pipeline is running. It's in testing phase. The source picked up the change. If you go to the GitHub, I can see the exact change which is modified. Mm, so see the modified dashboard to monthly income. So this is the change which we have done that triggered the pipeline. Let's see the pipeline if it is running. Yeah, it's in progress. It's in testing stage. So as you can see, the logs has been generated. Um, it's loading. So yeah, the required libraries has been installed, and so as you can see, like our testing stage has been executed successfully and the logs has been generated. I'll show you the test coverage, and it went to the next stage. Static analysis is being triggered. So if you see the code coverage, we have covered 65% of the code. With all the test use cases, and the reports has been the results has been saved in S3 bucket. So the 441 lines of code, we missed 155 lines, but executed the remaining lines with all the past status. And let's go to the next stage, which we have is static analysis, which we did it using Pylint. If you see, the logs has not yet generated. Meanwhile, I'll walk you through the application, how it works. So we can add an expense from here, or from the quick actions as well. We can add an income. Let's say I'll add 100 euros, and the category might I'll add it as some gift maybe, and then I'll keep the data as today or yesterday and save the income. So you see the income has been added, and if you can see the dashboard, it is reflected with 868, the total amount. And also you can see that here we have an um, additional category of gift, showing it on dashboard. And recent also we can see that they have added free a gift here. So that's a change, and as well as we can add the expense in a similar manner. So let's add an expense. Let's add 15 euros, and let's make it as transportation. And that's today, keep it as today's state. The expense has been added. If we go to the dashboard, we can see that that expense has been created and added it to our dashboard. So likewise, we can do the similar way. Like we can see the quick actions, we can view the expenses quickly, and we have like user creation as well using sign up. Let's go to the pipeline to see if where it if the static analysis has done or not. Yeah, it's still running. So if you see, the logs has been created, the required install libraries were done. So yeah, it succeeded. You can see the message, it's got succeeded, and the code has been rated at 7.79. Let's see if it goes to the next stage, which is our static security stage. Yeah, it's not updated. Let's refresh it. Mm, yeah, see, the security stage has been triggered. The logs has been created. Um, let's wait it to finish. So yeah, all the required libraries for being installed. Just wait for a few minutes. Meanwhile, I'll show you the dashboard of Sonar Cube as well. For our project, we can see the previous run happened, and the status of the quality gate has been shown past. So let's see if it is being run. Yeah, the safety bandit analysis has been done. Sonar cube is being run, and security scan is completed. Yeah, so it should be finished. Security scan is finished. So as you can see, the security stage has been successfully done, and the artifacts has been uploaded as well on the S3 bucket. So let's go to the deploy stage if it's being run, the last stage of our pipeline. Um, let's see. Yeah, see if the security stage has been passed, and now we're in the final stage, deploy stage. Once this is done, the change should be reflected on our dashboard with this month's income to check current monthly income. The current dashboard is showing it as monthly income. You can see the change has been deployed successfully. You can see it in the pipeline as well. The pipeline is succeeded successfully. So this is the demonstration of the CI/CD working. How and in each code change has to go through the quality gates, and then only the change will be deployed after passing all the quality gates, which helps the development easier and reliable. Thanks very much.